friends, today I am going to teach you how any infix expression can be converted into the postfix expression. For this conversion, we should understand this precedent table as well as what is infix notation, what is prefix notation and what is postfix notation. Let's understand this. Infix notation, we have operator at the middle. In the prefix notation, we have operator at the beginning. And in the postfix notation, we have operator at the end position. In the middle, pre in the beginning, post in the end position. Okay. Also, from converting any expression from infix notation to the postfix notation, we should remember this table. This is called priority table or precedence table, in which we have precedence or priority of any operator. Just remember that plus and minus operator at precedence 1. Multiplication, division and modulo are at precedence 2. At the rate, $sign or raised to sign are at precedence 3. This is just for the reference. We should not write this into our answer. This is just for the reference. Plus and minus at 1. Multiplication, division, modulo are at 2. At the rate, or raised to are at 3. And again, one more rule you should remember, that greater or equal precedence will be removed from the stack. Okay, one more time. Greater or equal precedence will be removed from the stack. Here we have stack. Whenever we encounter greater or equal precedence in the stack, it will be removed from the stack and put into the expression. To understand how infix notation converted into the postfix, we are taking two examples. In our first example, we have A into B divide C minus D. Let's build our postfix notation using stack. This is stack. Okay. In my first row, I represent empty stack. Hash symbol will represent empty stack. You can use hash symbol, or if you want, you should not write the hash symbol. Both is okay. But I am going to use hash symbol for the empty stack. Here I denote my stack is empty. My first row is complete. Okay. In the next row, scan character we are taking from the expression. I have A. Whenever operand comes, we will directly put into the expression. So our stack is again empty. Now we have multiplication. Multiplication is compared with the stack, but stack is empty, so we cannot do comparison. So multiplication comes into the stack, and again expression keep continue that. Okay. After the multiplication, we have operand. Whenever we encounter operand, we directly put into the expression. So our expression is become A, B, and whatever the stack we just write down. After B, we have division. We are comparing. Our division is compared with multiplication, and our rule is greater or equal precedence will be removed. Stack has multiplication. Multiplication at precedence 2. Division is also at precedence 2. Greater or equal. Yes, stack has greater or equal. That is true. So we will remove that. Okay. It means A, B multiplication. Stack has no multiplication now. So stack is empty. So this is goes there. Okay. After division, we have C. Whenever operand comes, we directly put into the expression. So expression is this, and stack is continue. Okay. After that, we have minus. Minus is compared with this. Division has precedence 2. Division has precedence 2 and minus has precedence 1. Here, division has a greater precedence. Division has greater precedence, minus has only 1. So our rules was greater or equal precedence removed from stack. So division is removed, stack is empty, so minus comes into the stack. Okay. After that, we have D. Whenever operand comes, we directly put into the expression. Okay. Whatever the stack, just keep right. Now we have every character is finished. So our example is over. So whatever we have in the stack, we just need to empty. So A, B multiplication, C divide D, and we have minus, and this is your answer. So our this infix expression is converted into AB multiplication, C divide, D minus. This is infix notation. This is its equivalent postfix notation. Let's take second example. Here second example is A plus B into C minus D divide E multiplication H. How this expression is converted into the postfix notation using stack? Let's start that. Remember that our rule is greater or equal precedence in the stack will be removed and come into the expression. Greater or equal in the stack will be removed. So just simply remember that greater or equal in stack will remove. Okay. First of all, I denote empty stack. Okay. We have A. Whenever operand comes, we directly put into here. Okay. So stack is empty. Okay. Then we have plus. Plus operator is compared with the stack, but stack is empty, so we cannot do comparison, so plus comes inside A. After plus we have B. Whenever the operand comes, we directly put here. Okay, so stack is again same. Okay, after B we have multiplication. Our operator is compared with the stack. Stack has plus, it is at 1 precedence, and multiplication at 2. Our rule is greater or equal remove from stack, but in this case it is not true, so plus cannot be removed, so plus as it is and multiplication at the end of the plus. Okay. Now we have C. Whenever operand comes, we directly put here, so ABC, again stack is same. Okay. After that we have minus. We compare with this first. Stack has 2, it is 2 and this is 1. So stack has greater precedence, so that will be removed. Okay. After multiplication remove, we have plus. Plus is also at same precedence, greater or equal will be removed from stack, so this can also be removed. Okay. After this removing, stack is empty, so our minus comes here. Okay. We have D. Whenever variables comes, operand come, we directly put into the expression. Whatever the stack, keep writing. Okay. We have division. Compared with the stack, stack has a precedence 1, division at precedence 2. Stack is not greater or equal, so we cannot remove. So minus here, division comes here. A, B, C, multiplication plus D. We have E. Whenever operand comes, we directly put into the expression. Okay. And whatever the stack, keep writing. Okay. After E, we have multiplication. Multiplication is compared with the stack. Division has precedence 2. Multiplication is also at precedence 2. Greater or equal, that is right. So, division will be removed from the stack. After removing division, we can compare with the minus, but minus has lower precedence, so it cannot be removed. So minus was as it is, and then after multiplication. Now we have H. Again, whenever operand comes, we directly put into the expression. So our expression is like this. Okay. Now after H we have nothing, so we will empty our stack. First multiplication and then minus, and this will be our answer. Okay. So our infix expression is converted into this postfix expression. Hello friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so I can give you more and more updated videos. Thank you very much.